My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Cracking YouTube, is me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below, and it'll be right next to me right now. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Happy April! It is April the 1st, first day of the month. No April Fool's Day joke. I'm not doing none of that. But got my first pickup of the month. Before we get into my first pickup of the month, I do want to come back. I want to rewind a little bit and go back to yesterday, March the 31st. I did pick up 2 sneakers yesterday. Both aren't new, but they was available, so I was like, you know what? I want to get it. 1, for a reason. 2, because I just wanted the shoe. I remember when it came out. So real quick, I'll just bring them both up here. They both Jordan 1s, as you can see right here, the black box. This one is a women's Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. I found this at the Jumpman store downtown, and I saw it maybe 3 weeks ago, and I was like, you know what? I didn't pull trigger then. I was like, you know what? I was bored yesterday. I was tallying up all my expenses for the month, what I usually do. At the end of every month, I always like calculate everything I spend on shoes, and then I put it the total and blah blah. Anyway, like that. So as I was doing that, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go back to the Jumpman store, and if they still there, I'm gonna get them. And they still was there. I was not able to get my size, my true size, which is an 8.5 or a 10 women. I got a 9.5 women, so that's fine. Still tried on, but these Air Jordan 1 lows, I like these. I like the leather on this. Leather looks wonderful, very plush on this. I love the blue on this, and I don't really have any Jordan 1 low blue one. I got 2 pair. One is with cement print, and the other one is just the plain royal blue one and the white ones. So I was like, you know what? I had some other ones, I got rid of them. I was like, let me get this. So I pulled the trigger on this. Happy. This, like I said, this is a size 8. It was a 9.5 women, so equivalent of 8. So I like that. I like this. So I got that. And if you don't know, April 1st is also WrestleMania season. So WrestleMania is today and tomorrow. I will be going to both of them. So I picked up, this is another shoe that I did have. I got rid of it. Classic is sneezing and everything and the background. Anyway, this is another shoe that I had before. I did not wear it, and I got a shirt, an outfit for WrestleMania. I'll give you a little sneak preview. So I was like, let me just rebuy this. So I went to Shoe Palace after Jumpman, and it's the Air Jordan 1 Brotherhoods. So yeah, I had this shoe before. I bought it months ago. And I never wore it. I don't know why, and I got rid of it. But I bought this shirt from a vintage. Shout out to this vintage store. I forgot the name of it, but it's on Melrose. Shout out to them. I bought this shirt, so I'm gonna wear this today to WrestleMania. So dope. The price is not dope. This is a T-shirt, and this T-shirt was $75. So that's a lot. But this. This is fire. This is fire right here. But this is what I'm wearing to WrestleMania today. I might do a vlog. I might do a WrestleMania vlog. I don't know. Be on the lookout for that. So I might do a WrestleMania vlog, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. But yeah, that's my 2. That was my last 2 pickups of the month of March. No reviews for them because like I said, they both old. I do have a review for the Brotherhoods when I did get it the first time, and it will be up there right now. I am going to plug that in if you want to go check out the review for that, but that's like hella old. But I will put it, like I said, it's up there, so I will put that up there. Anyway, get to the main course, which y'all came here to see, and the first pickup of April. So yeah, right off top, you see this, the gray bottom, black top, got that UNC color Jordan with the Jumpman right there in the middle. That, so we got the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low. Color is white, university blue. The suggested retail price was, I got the receipt right here. retail price was, I mean, if I'm not mistaken, it's 180. 185. 185 was just the retail price. Size 8.5. So you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. Boom. All right. So without further ado, what are these called again? These. Oh, okay. Okay. This is my first time seeing them in hand. Without further ado, move this out the way so I can put this box right there. Without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 11 Low Cement Gray. Boom. Okay, so right off back, this shoe should look very, very familiar to everyone. I got two shoes right here. This is a combination, in my opinion. I have not seen nobody really talk about it, but in my opinion, this shoe is a combination of these two shoes. The Cool Gray 11 Low, which mine is beat up, but not beat up, but like I gotta clean this. Cool Gray 11 and the Legend Blue. I think, or did they call this another name? I think this was called the Legend Blue because it wasn't a Columbia. I think Legend. I think it was Legend Blue. But yeah, I do have reviews for both of the. Well, not this one. I do have a review for this one, but this I can't. I don't know how to put two like the little bubbles up in the front for multiple videos. So since I know I'm gonna put the review for the Brotherhoods up there, I can't put this one up there too. So just go check out this out. You can just just search Stay Tuned TV, Legend Blue, 11 Lows. But I do have a review up for this one too. But yeah, in my opinion, this is a combination of both of it. If these two got together and had a baby, this shoe would be the offspring, would be the child. So right there, give y'all some information off of hypebeast.com. Shout out to hypebeast.com. It reads, 2023 looks to be yet another promising year of Nike and Jordan Brand as rumors and first looks at their upcoming lineups continue to excite the sneaker world. One of the latest to emerge, Sneakerhead feels Air Jordan 11 is set to remix its iconic Cool Gray by utilizing its low top style in a new cement gray colorway. Balancing white, university blue, and cement gray, the color scheme offers a familiar approach to the Air Jordan 11 Low. Its mesh upper favors white, including with its signature lacing system and accompanying laces. Its color hits both the trim and standard patent leather mudguard, while a white midsole is joined by an icy translucent outsole. Completing the look, standard branding is included in blue and white with blue Jumpman logos at the heel and tongue next to the Air Jordan 11 references as white. Yeah, so like I said, still got that upper patent leather, that cement gray. It is a lot lighter than this right here. Like you can see the difference right there. A lot lighter. This is, this is the Cool Gray. This is cement gray. White midsole. Got that translucent outer sole right there. Still, I love it. White laces. Got that university blue on the inside of the sole with the Jumpman right there in white. 1, 2, 3, where it's supposed to be. Right there. Got the university blue on the Jumpman on the back. No extra laces. Got that upper mesh right there in white. More Cool Gray in the sock line. Oh, not Cool Gray, I'm sorry. Cement gray on the sock liner. Got that carbon fiber right here on the side. Boom, boom, boom. And I mean, all in all, I think it's a good shoe. It's a good summer shoe. I like it. I think it's very nice. Like I said, my Cool Gray lows are very beat up. But this, out of all my shoes, this is shoe number one. This is what got me started back buying shoes. Like again, I told the story a million times, but I'm not gonna really get into it. But the bottom line is, I went to go play basketball at Venice Beach. I forgot I drove. I live about 40 minutes, 35, 40 minutes away from Venice Beach. And I got all the way up there, about 10 minutes away from it, and I realized I forgot my hooping shoes, my basketball shoes. So I had to stop by a bunch of shoe stores on the way there, and I stopped by a shoe palace, and this was sitting on the wall. And this is an 8.5. Was this an 8.5? No, it's size 8. Yeah, this was sitting on the wall, and I was like, oh man, do I want to hoop in this? And I hooped in it because I really wanted to play basketball. And I bought this. I was going to return it. Not even going to lie to y'all. I was going to return it after I hooped in it. But I just kept it. And from there on, I started buying shoes again. This is the shoe that got me back into the game. So this is a very, very, not old shoe, but this is the origin shoe right here. This has got me started. So hold this very near and dear to me, to my heart. I love how beautiful this is. This is just beautiful. I never got the Colombians or the University Blue. That's what it's called, right? The University Blue, Colombians, I never got the high top version of these, so I was happy to get a low top of this. But and like I said, this is just a combination of both of these. Beautiful, beautiful shoe, beautiful, beautiful summer shoe. So y'all let me know in the comments below, was you able to get your pair? Was this a cop? Was the drop? For me, of course, this was a cop. I'm keeping this. Don't know when I'm gonna rock it, but I will rock it soon, one day soon. Not real soon, but classic 1 to 10. What you giving it?
6.
A 6? You don't like it? Why?
No, because on the picture it looks way better because it's purple.
Oh, you talking about that? No, well, that's the translucent. That's the shine of this. No, oh, you talking about right there?
Yeah.
Well, so okay, so I have a purple low. Okay, real quick. Don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. Here I go. So I think what Classic is thinking about is this.
Yeah, it looks cool.
Yeah, he's thinking about these ones. And I mean, listen. I mean, similar. This is very, very similar. Of course, it's the same model, but this is just. So you like this one more than this, because this is purple. It was a light purple. It's like a lavender.
Yeah. Like
that. So okay. I guess when you looked at the picture, you thought about this, but this is fire. This is a fire shoe. I mean, 11 lows are dope, bro. Like I like 11 lows. So I mean, but all right, Plaster, real quick before I give you my grade.
Yes.
Out of these 4 shoes,
Oh God.
rank them 1 through 4. So which one is? Oh, we gonna start at number 4. Which one is number 4 for you? Like which one would be the last one you get if you had to pick? Okay, so okay, that's just 4. What's 3?
3.
Okay, this is 3. So I'm guessing this is 2. Oh, this is 2, and this is 1. So out of all 4 of these, this is the one you like the most. I'm surprised because in previous videos you was like, I don't like too much white.
No, because it just looks cool with the blue.
I got you. You talking about the
I like
translucent at the bottom.
Like them.
Like the translucent at the bottom. Okay, so if I had to rank these, I would put this 4. So we both agreed on that 4.
Yeah, of course.
We both agreed on 3. I'll put this 3.
Yeah.
But I would switch it. I would make this my 2 and this my 1. This is just fire, bro. This is a fire Easter shoe. But I'm not mad at you for this. Anyway, all right. So my grade for the shoe, you gave it a 6. I give it a 7. 6.57. I mean, like you said, it's not all that special, but I think it's just a good summer shoe.
Yeah.
Good shoe. Yeah, it's a good shoe. It's easy to match. You can put a fit with this very, very easy. Some gray sweats, gray shorts, but all in all, I mean, it's a decent shoe. Nothing special though. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Check out my previous video, which will be at the end of this video. My previous sneaker video, it will be at the end of this video. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite Sneakerhead, represent Tune's Kicks. And the whole Tune squad, you know what to do. Have a nice day.